So for my semester project, I'll be using automatic lights that will turn on based on motion sensor. I'll be using a PAR sensor B right here, and PAR sensor A right here. And then the LCD, first line tells me how many people are in the room, and the state of the room, and the direction people are going in. The LED represent the lights turning on. And these two LEDs to indicate the direction, yellow going mean in and red going out. Note that I tried fixing this problem with testing this project with buttons to test the logic. It works just fine, but when implementing with the PIR sensors, they are not connecting because it seems that whenever I try to use the LCD initiate, the sensors will not work. So for this video demonstration, I'll have to use the buttons to demonstrate this project. The logic with the buttons was to test was that the PIR sensor indicates that someone has passed, so it sends a number voltage back into the at mega, where it will send to a bit is set function that will turn on the lights and operate with LCD, but it will not run with LCD. So I would have to use buttons to show the logic. So note, when the first sensor goes off, it will be represented by this first button, and when the second sensor goes off, it will be represented by the second button. So when the first sensor goes off, if I press it, nothing happens, because if someone were to pass that sensor but go back out because it's the wrong room, then the counter will go up. For the counter to go up, the second sensor will be triggered, and that's when the increment will go up. So if I press the first sensor to go up and then the second sensor is passed, that means someone's entered the room and the person is entering. The yellow entering, someone's coming in. For someone going out, same thing. If the second sensor goes off, so if I press it, nothing happens. So the second sensor has to be on in order for decrement when the first sensor goes. So if I press the second sensor to go off, and the first, and the room is empty. So let's try with two people going in. So count one person going in, count two, and then same thing going out, and then the light will turn off. So if I use my hand for this, so demonstrates that the sensor is working. So walking through, first sensor goes off, and the sensor sees something. The second one, so passing through. Same thing again, going out. So the project has to run some buttons due to the PIR sensors not working as of now. So if you have any questions, please let me know.